Well, this tutorial is for you, Sebastian. Since you are going to be playing this on the piano, this is the song Can't Help Falling in Love. And I am going to teach you how to play the song on the piano. And for that, I am going to have to put two angles of the same video in the screen. So here it goes. So the first thing that you need to understand is that the song is not played in normal time signature that we play it on, which is 4/4. As you can see in here, this is in 6/8, meaning that you are going to be counting in each measure 6 beats, and the 8 underneath tells you that the note that gets 1 beat is going to be the 8th note. And so this note on the bottom, this one in here, it's called a half dotted note, and this note is worth 6 beats. Now before, in 4/4 you make that note for 3 counts, but in here it's for 6 counts. Okay, I'm going to play the left hand first. The first note, as you learned last week, this note in here, it's called sol, and it's this key in here. Look, let me put this here. So this is a middle C in your keyboard, and you are going to be playing here. You count 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Oh, sorry. I play fa, but this fa in here, actually, it says that it's sharp. Look, this sharp tells you that all the fas in the song are going to be sharp. So instead of playing the fa here, thank goodness I make this mistake, you are going to play it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why do I not play again? Well, because of this tie. Remember that in last class we learned that with this tie, what it does is to put together the value of this note with the value of this note. Moving on, we go here. The name of this note is do. So it's going to be here, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next note is going to be sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is going to be re, held for 12 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this one in here is going to be do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Re. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do. Instead of playing with my pinky, I'm going to put this finger in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I will move to the next note, which is sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here. Sol again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, these are the 8 note rests. Each one of them is worth 1 beat. So this is beat number 5 and beat number 6. And then you go back here. Okay? That's the way you play the bottom hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you repeat. Now, let me show you how to play this hand. In this hand, we play what we know in piano as chords. The chords, it's when you play 3 or more notes together in a cluster. And so, the first chord you are playing here is the G major chord, or el acorde de sol. You play it twice. What are the names of the notes that you are going to be playing here? The bottom note, this one in here, is C. The middle note is Re, and the top note is Sol. Sol, Re, and C. Notice that middle C, o do central, está aquí. C, Re, Sol. So you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving on to the next chord, this chord in here is the D major chord, or el acorde de Re mayor. The bottom note is La, the middle note is Re, and the top note is Fa sostenido. Remember, look in here, the sostenido tells you that all the Fas are going to be played sostenidos. So, La, Re, Fa sostenido. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go back to this one in here, which is E minor, Mi menor. Bottom note is C, middle note is Mi, and the top note is Sol. Si, Mi, y Sol. Si, Mi, Sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do that twice. Meaning, this measure has Mi menor, and this measure has Mi menor tal vez, también. Okay? And then you move here to the C major chord, Accordedo, which is the first note is that the bottom note is Do. In my keyboard, the Do doesn't work, sorry. And then the middle note is Mi, and the top note is Sol. So you play like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, C, bottom note, Re, middle note, Sol, top note, acorde de Sol mayor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in here, acorde de Re, you go down to bottom note La, middle note Re, top note Fa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In here, you maintain the chord, but you add the note Sol. Look, Fa moves to Sol and then goes down to Fa again. This is what we call in music a suspended chord. So you are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that was the previous chord. Then you just move your pinky towards Sol, 1, 2, 3, and then you move it back to Fa, 4, 5, 6. Let me play those two measures again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, moving on. Here. Acorde de Do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Este es acorde de Re. Bottom note is La. Middle note is Re. Top note is Fa sostenido. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next note is acorde de Mi menor. Top note is, bottom note is C, middle note is Mi, and then Sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving on to Do, Accordedo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, bottom note is Do, middle note is Mi, and then Sol. And then next chord is Sol. Bottom note is C, middle note is Re, and then Sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here, acorde de Re mayor. Bottom note is La, middle note is Re, and then top note is Fa sostenido. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last but not least, acorde de sol again. Bottom note is C, middle note re, and sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you repeat the whole thing again. I'm gonna play the top hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Acorde de re mayor. 4, 5, 6. Mi mayor. Mi menor, sol. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do mayor. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sol. 2, 3, 4, 5. Re. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sol. And fa sostenido. ¿Verdad? Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, suspended, going back to re, and then acorde de do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, acorde de re, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mi menor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sol, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, re, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sol, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you repeat the whole thing again. Now, I'm gonna play both hands together because that's the way you are supposed to play it. Okay? It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Oh, sorry. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suspended, going back, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the way you are supposed to play that first part of Can't Help Falling in Love. Hopefully this tutorial might be helpful for you.